are the most unhealthy cities. 62% of Delhiites have uncontrolled diabetes, while Maharashtra has 73%. 77% Delhiites have hypertension, while the number is 39% in Mumbai.
When it comes to food, the first thing that comes to Mumbai's mind is the Indian burger, vada pav, which contains high amount of carbohydrates. But this food stuff is available throughout the season, summer, winter, especially eaten during the rain.
When it comes to lipid profiles that measure the risk of coronary heart disease, Delhi measured 55% diabetes and Mumbai 24%.
After the famous Paratha Wali Delhi Chandni Chowk International Capital, this place is known for its tasty food. But what most people don't know or perhaps choose to ignore is that this food is oily and unhealthy. Experts attribute increasing obesity among Delhiites to oily food and eating out.
Fast food market is growing 30 to 35% every year, experts say, with a direct impact on the lifestyle. The World Health Organization says that by 2030, India will have 80 million diabetics, and by 2020, nearly 60% of the world's total heart patients. Food for thought, you could say. With Riya Francis in Mumbai, Neha Moldani in Delhi, NewsNet.
So this is good enough for you to kind of get the message. So here it is. There is no diet that will do what a healthy eating does. So there's difference between diet and healthy eating. Do you understand the diet stuff? So dieting and you have printed sheet and you start. That's the healthy eating is a lifestyle. This is the difference. So I'm here to talk about healthy eating, something that you integrate into your daily life. So when the diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. You understand? If you take wrong diet, there's no point in you giving any medicine. When the diet is correct, your food is correct, medicine is of no requirement. It's that simple. So, what are the foods that we really eat these days? Do you want to name some? What's in your canteen? चलो एक क्वेश्चन आप 6 या 7 बजे ज़्यादा भूख जब उठते हैं तो आपका क्या क्या फेवरेट नाश्ता है जो आप इज इट सैंडविच इज इट भेलपूरी इज इट पाव वड़ा डोसा इडली मेंदू वड़ा who wants to share what's in your canteen हफ्ते में एक बार burgers I don't know you have burgers in your campus. Come on, share with me. What is the food that we are eating these days?
It's poha.
Poha, idli,
Misal pav.
pav, okay?
Vada pav.
Vada pav, there it is.
Masala dosa.
So we are eating these days all this. Anything else that you want to eat? Chinese, of course.
Italian.
Mexican, Italian, pasta, of course. And what do you order out? Maggi noodles. Maggi noodles. I just had one girl, 11-year-old. She has to have twice a week Maggi. Maggi to khana hi hai. Also, if there is a paper that is available, can we distribute it and then sure, we'll do it later. I'll make you all right. What's in your kitchen? What's in your house? So what we usually do, I have other health coaches working with me. When I have a patient with lots of diseases, I send the health coach home and she checks the kitchen and she takes out all the unhealthy food on the table. She labels them and she shows them what are the replacement. That's simple. This is what is a very simple exercise. We do and we just show them how to do this. This is how simple it is. So I'm sure we'll check it out as we go along. Do you have a canteen menu? Anything more like? What else is available? Chai, coffee? Chips, potato chips, French fries, tomato ketchup.
Bread pakoda. Bread pakoda.
Bread pakoda. Manchurian. All this is your canteen menu, right? We'll check up that one.
Health menu is also there.
We'll see even how healthy is that. Okay, and your favorite food outlets? You know, McDonald's came to India more than a dozen years ago. Now you have KFC. There are more brands who are dancing to come to India. There are lots of them, and they are attracting customers. And McDonald's, I remember there's a queue outside. When it opened, there was a queue on the first day.
Linking Road, Bandra.
Yes, there was a queue. 3 घंटे लोग पता नहीं पहले दिन खड़े रहे थे क्यों में मैकडोनल्ड पे खड़े. That's a kind of excitement we create. My niece, whenever she came to my home, she knew there's a McDonald's because I stay very near to that McDonald's. It's like walking distance. पता नहीं आधे घंटे में उसको भूख लग जाती थी. She said, "Papiya, भूख लगी चलो क्या?" So long and McDonald's. I don't know that toy. It was attractive, पता नहीं McDonald's देख के भूख लगती. They catch them young, basically. So, do you have white sugar? Would you like to share someone how many kilos of white sugar every month do you order from your regular grocery wala? 2 kilo? Wonderful. How much? 2 kilo तो आ ही जाए. Confirm white sugar in your house? So definitely all of it goes into the stomach. The next one. Do you know that sugar causes so many diseases in your body? It's the white, highly processed sugar. आप शुगर को एक डब्बे में बंद करके रख दो, 2 साल तक खोलो नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा उससे. वैसे की वैसी रहती है. Highly chemicalized product, highly processed. But what it does inside your body, it does many things. It depresses your immune system, many more things. Do you have refined oil? अभी कल के ही टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में कौन सा ऐड आया था? 2 पेज भर के. Saffola, see, very good brand report. They want you to have Saffola for keeping your heart healthy. This is how they are selling refined oil in the market. They are trying to tell you that this oil is good. Which is the other one which is doing very well these days? Rice bran. It's in my every patient's house. So these are all refined oils. These are industries. They club it up with some health benefit and they make sure that it's in your food. Do you have refined salt? Don't want to really name some brands, but there are all these refined salts in the market. Iodized, Desh ka Namak, and that kind of advertisement. You know that these are only byproducts of some chemical industry. It's not harvested like sea salt. Do you know that? It's just completely manufactured in their own chemical plants. Made up. What about the white flour, मैदा? हमारे घर में तो हम नहीं खाते हैं. हम कोई भी फ्लावर लाते हैं, पैकेट लाते हैं 5 किलो का, उसके ऊपर लिखा रहता है होल व्हीट फ्लावर. That's what you will tell me, na? But all this packaged flour has a shelf life, and they have something added to it to make sure that the shelf life is good. Because having to get with the business, right? आप दूसरा वाला आटा लाओ रेगुलर चक्की से, 1 या 2 महीने में उसमें कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. ज़्यादा नहीं रख सकते उसे. This has a shelf life. That is your white flour. Some of it is white flour, some of it is just health stuff, multigrain, कुछ ना कुछ लिख देते हैं. But it's really not always healthy. There are a lot of other breads that you have in the market. You will see they are written whole wheat, but there's half and half. Half will be whole, half will be leather. And your pav, of course, is 100% milk. White rice, आपके घर में कितना चावल आता है? कौन से ब्रांड का आता है? आप पूरे साल का भर के रखते हैं? पूरे साल का? Which is your favorite? White rice. Kolam है, and then many other kinds, but they are all white. White looking, polished. All the fiber is gone, all the vitamins are gone, and the white rice is just starch, nothing else. Gets cooked very quickly, tastes very nice, and you don't get anything else in it. That's what the white rice. White rice has a longer shelf life. That's why it is machine polished. But if you have whole wheat or whole, everything is whole, unpolished, has a higher fiber. Doesn't have a shelf life. एक महीने में खत्म. Do you have milk products? Milk is healthy, no? कार्टन में आता है, hygienically packed है. Every household, which household doesn't have milk products? हमारे घर में जो भाई काम करें, वो भी पहले पैसे बचाए छोटे बच्चे के लिए दूध का पैसा बचाए. You can't afford, but somehow should take out 500 or 1,000 for just milk. Milk, butter, cheese, everything in your household, absolutely. कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है, कर्ड, बटर मिल्क, good for health. दही बहुत अच्छा है हेल्थ के लिए. Do you have eggs also? Do you know that they are made where? Where are they manufactured? What is the process? It's a complete farming. Lots of problems with eggs as well. The egg industry. You know, it's a fast turning. Lots of production, commercial production. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि हेल्थ है और उसमें से एक निकला फिर सबने खाया. It's an industry. It's constantly manufacturing. It's always using lots of antibiotics and hormones to make sure कितने होने चाहिए अंडे पूरे साल में एक मुर्गी के, और ये कितने निकालते हैं और आपको उसमें से क्या मिलता है. It is associated with lots of diseases including high cholesterol. Fish, have you heard of mercury poisoning? These days our seas are very, sea water is very contaminated and mercury amount is very high in fish. And now also they are over farming. They are just taking away a lot of fish. Then you should, I think one day we'll have no fish left in the sea and then we don't healthy fish as well. We eat meat as well. The meat industry is extremely powerful. It's highly organized. There are a lot of antibiotics, lots of stuff used. And the meat consumption is going down. हमारे parents कभी हफ्ते में 2 बार ही खाते थे मीट, बाकी के दिन नहीं खाते. बाद में चेंज हो गया, खाली संडे को फीस्ट होगा या कभी महीने में एक बार कुछ फीस्ट होगा तो कुछ नॉनवेज खा लिया, फिश बना लिया. अभी कैन योर ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर एनी टाइम यू चूज. यू कैन ऑर्डर इट्स इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर. व्हाट हैज हैपेंड विद द रेफ्रिजरेटर इन्वेंशन? मीट इज अवेलेबल. If there was no refrigerator, you will not buy milk, you will not get eggs, and you will not get fish, and you will not get meat of any other kind, chicken, nothing. As soon as the refrigerators came into our life, last 50 years, we have now cold storage chain and we have meat available. 6 महीना चूड़ा कुछ भी खा सकते. But what happens? As soon as the death occurs, the disintegration starts. There is a very high amount of all these hormones, antibiotics given to these farm animals. Then it comes on your table. It's associated with a lot of health problems. So here is I have data. You can get a lot more stuff from plant-based diet. That's what I'm going to talk about here. But how you can get more proteins from your beans than your meat. And we are brainwashed because how can meat industry make us eat more by telling us that you need protein. But it's not necessary. You can be a vegetarian and you can have just some beans, and that has much higher fiber. The meat has no fiber. It has higher protein, much healthier, and it's easier, so you don't have to take any of this non-veg stuff for any of your serving. Chai coffee? Who is the one who is here not taking chai coffee? Then what do you take? Green tea. Anyone? Chai coffee, how much? Chai and coffee, how much?
Twice.
2 बार, 3 बार. Coffee fans? I had a patient who takes 10 cups of coffee every day. इतना बड़ा. He literally lived on coffee. नहीं, मैं black coffee पीता हूँ. इसमें sugar भी नहीं होती है. Chai and coffee are great stimulants, and they are going to really tire you out much faster. They are not health drinks anymore. So, caffeine amount is very high, and chai contains a substance called as tannin. For leather, they use tannin. उसको soft करने के लिए उसके ऊपर tannin tannic acid level है. This is the same kind of acid that you are putting in our old stomach. Do you get it? But nobody tells you about it. Caffeine is a great stimulant. It stimulates your nervous system, stimulates your adrenal gland, and over a period of time, it's more like whipping the horse. You whip a horse. So many my patients come and डॉक्टर सबसे पहले चाय चाहिए, बाद में हमारा दिन शुरू होता है. आप प्लीज़ मेरी चाय मत बंद कर देना. So I have to show them safer alternatives. How do you do it? But चाय के बिना अगर आप उठते ही नहीं है सुबह तो what's the point? You are dependent on a substance to wake you up. आप छोटे बच्चे कैसे उठते हैं? उठते हैं फिर हंसने लगते हैं, फिर खेलने लगते हैं, फिर उसकी मम्मी बुलाती है, बेटा चल अभी तू तब तक कुछ नहीं. They are not hungry, they are in action. What about us? We need a chai. तो चाय नहीं पीते तो पेन फील साफ नहीं.